Welcome to this presentation about how to control an addressable LED via I2C in Arduino. The chip that we are going to use for this control is the IS3750 from Inax. Working with the IS3750 is quite easy. You can think about that as an I2C memory. So, with the difference that when you write to those internal registers, the data that you write on the registers will be the corresponding LED color and brightness. So fill the memory from register 1 till register 3600, and when you are done filling the registers that will affect the LEDs that you need to change the color, just trigger the show register. You will trigger the show register by writing a 1 to it. Once you write the 1 to the register, it will automatically clear to 0 and all the LED data will be sent to the LEDs. This simple LED effect is the example that we are going to code. The code is quite simple. It only, you can see the video, it only makes the LED to jump to the next position. So let's see the first line. It says write LED register 9. So who is the 9 register? Let's check it. The 9th register, it's the LED 3 color blue. Okay, so to the 9th register, let's write 0. Writing 0 to the register means turning that LED off. So this line turns off the third LED blue color. Next line. We are writing 100 to register 1. Who is register 1? It's LED 1 green. And 100 means color. So let's make the first LED green color on. And then show LEDs. What is show LEDs? Show LEDs is very simple. It's only one line of code. It's writing to register 0 the value of 1. So register 0 is the show register. When we write to this register a 1, everything that is inside the memory map, it's thrown to the LEDs. So you are updating the LEDs. Writing a 1 to the show register updates the LEDs. If you just change these values and you don't write to the show register, the LEDs don't change. You can write all your sequence, all your needs to the LEDs, and when you are done, you just fire the show registers and the LEDs show the color. And as you can think about, that is the delay, 200 milliseconds, and then, okay, just simple. Let's let's clear the first register. So first register is LED 1 green. We are clearing this LED, we are putting this LED down, and we are setting on the 5th register, which is the LED 2 red. And the same, we make the changes to the memory map and then we update the LEDs, the LEDs, and then we wait 200 milliseconds and the third block, so it's going to be the same. Well, at the very beginning, at the setup, just start the I2C, show LEDs, we just talk about that, and that's the last thing. Quite simple, all the code. So this register, as you imagine, it's a register, this function, as you can think, it's a function that writes to the register this value. Okay? The only difference, or the only point to keep in mind, is that the registered address are 16 bits long and the content of the registers is 8-bit. They are bytes actually. So we connect to our chip. This is the connection to the IS3750. This is the connection to the I2C bus of our chip. The I2C address of our chip is 12 in hexadecimal. So when we are connected to our chip, we just write the high part of the registered address, then we write the low part of the registered address, and then at the end we just write the value of this register and we end the communications. That's simple. Writing the high part of this register, writing the low part of this register, and writing the data.